instruments?
Opo.
Ano po yun? Yan.
I can play piano, violin, drums, ukulele, and guitar po.
Sige, pag sinabi ko yung instrument, sabihin mo kung anong kanta na play mo din sa instrument na yun. Kaya mo?
Ano po?
Sasabihin ko yung instrument, tapos sasabihin mo sa akin kung ano yung kanta na play mo with that instrument.
Sige po.
Okay, ukulele.
I play there, Somewhere Only We Know.
Okay, guitar.
Guitar, classic pop.
Okay, drums.
Drums is Slam Dunk, Slam Dunk,
Okay, piano.
classical pop. Besame Mucho, Memory, Greatest Love of All, Speak Softly Love, and more pop.
Okay, violin.
Violin, Minuet number 1, 2, and 3 pop.
Okay, cello.
Hindi pa.
Oo nga, hinubuli lang kita. Okay, thank you.
Thank you po!